Okay, so let's go find a motion to suppress on Bloomberg Law. We're looking at the home page. I'm just going to click on dockets, and that will bring up a dialog box. And then in the dialog box, we can put in search parameters. So the keywords, we'll put in a motion to suppress. And then for the court, we'll do the Eastern District of Michigan. Now, by the way, if you're searching in the Western District of Michigan, you won't get as much stuff because there's less crime in the Western District than there is in the Eastern District. So if you don't find stuff in the Western, then look in the Eastern. Okay, we could put in some other search parameters here, but this is enough to get the ball rolling here. So I clicked on search, and then here's a whole bunch of stuff. Now you can see that there's different types of motion to suppress. Motion to suppress evidence in this one. This one's motion to suppress physical evidence. There's motion to suppress statements, and so on. So you can kind of look for things that are similar to what you're looking for. And then you're also going to want to look for more recent cases. So like this 1992 document, that's probably not in a PDF, so you won't be able to retrieve it. But this 2013 case, we should be able to see that. So I'm just going to click on the first one that pops up here. So now you're looking at the docket sheet. This is everything that was filed in the case. And so as we go down here, we're looking for the document. And here's the first motion to suppress. And then you click on this request button. And then do you see this docket request page? I always like to right click or do the equivalent in Mac. Right click and then go open link in new tab. Okay, so I'm going to go to that page. And I'm going to refresh it. And here's the trick. You see this little docket number here, 14? That means it was the 14th document filed in this case in the courthouse. You have to click only on that. You can't click on the title or anything else. Just click on that little number. And then it'll pull up a screen with a document viewer in it. And now you can look at the document here. So it gives you an idea of how to write a motion, and then the brief is always attached to it. And so you can always get really wonderful law here. Here's Cole. It's binding because it's from the 6th Circuit. All this law is binding. So really quickly here, we basically find all the law we need on this motion to suppress issue. The only other research we'd want to do after this is we would then need to go and find case law that might be just perfectly on point. But for the general law, this will definitely do it for us. So anyway, that's how you retrieve a document using the docket search on Bloomberg Law.